When should you use Linspace versus Arange for Python arrays? Have you ever found yourself wondering when to use Linspace versus Arange for creating arrays in Python? Well, you are not alone. Understanding the differences can really help you in your data analysis tasks. Let's break it down in a simple way. First, let's talk about NumPy's Linspace function. This function is perfect when you need a specific number of evenly spaced values between a starting point and an ending point. For example, if you want to create 11 points from 0 to 1, you would use Linspace like this, NP, Linspace 0, 1, 11. This will give you an array that includes 0 and 1, with points at 0.0, 0.1, 0.2, all the way to 1.0. Now, why would you want to use Linspace? It is especially useful when you need precise control over how many points you generate. If you are dividing an interval into equal segments, Linspace ensures that you get exactly the number of samples you want. On the other hand, we have the Arange function. This function is best when you want to create an array with values spaced by a fixed step size. For instance, if you want to generate values from 0 to just before 1 with a step size of 0.1, you would write NP Arange 0, 1, 0.1. This will give you an array with points at 0.0, 0.1, 0.2, and so on, but it will not include 1. So, when should you choose Arange? It is ideal when the step size is more important than the exact number of points. It is similar to Python's built-in range function but returns a NumPy array instead. However, a word of caution about Arange. It can sometimes lead to floating point precision issues, especially when using non-integer step sizes. This can result in unexpected array lengths. In such situations, Linspace is often a more reliable choice because it calculates points based on the number of samples rather than increments. To summarize, use Linspace when you want a specific number of evenly spaced points between a start and stop value, including the stop value. Use Arange when you want values spaced by a fixed step size, but keep in mind that the stop value will be excluded. Understanding these two functions will help you create arrays that fit your data analysis needs perfectly. Whether you are plotting graphs or performing calculations, knowing when to use Linspace or Arange can make a significant difference in your work.